Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the some more preparation of alcohol. In that, first one, hydroboration oxidation reaction. Alkenes are reaction with the diborane, then formation of trialkyl boron addition product it will be formed, which is furtherly reaction with the hydrogen peroxide, then formation of alcohol. So that reaction we'll discuss now. See, here I am taking propene. Propene reaction with the BH3. So in this reaction, BH3, BH2H. So we can write like this, BH2H. This BH2 part is addition to the first carbon and hydrogen is attached to the second carbon. So then formation of CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. So here boron addition product is formed. This is furtherly reaction with the alkene or propene, then formation of tripropyl boron addition product it will be formed. Next here I am taking another 1 mole of propene. So from this boron, one hydrogen is attached to the second carbon. So then formula CH3, CH2. Why? Because this hydrogen is attached to the second carbon. CH3, CH2, CH2. So this is similar to CH3, CH2, CH2. So may I write CH3, CH2, CH2 taken to? Yes. Now see. CH3, CH2, CH2 taken to BH. So here boron has another one hydrogen. So may I take another 1 mole of propene, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. So this one hydrogen is attached to the second carbon. So then formation of CH3, CH2, CH2. So may I taken 3 trialkyl boron addition product it will be formed. What is that? CH3, CH2, CH2 taken 3 boron. Okay. So this is furtherly reaction with the hydrogen peroxide. 3 moles of hydrogen peroxide in the presence of aqueous NaOH. Okay, so then formation of 3 propyl groups are there. So 3 moles of propanol. What is it? 3 moles of propanol plus boron with peroxide. Then formation of BOH taken 3. Otherwise, we can write H3BO3. Orthoboric acid it will be formed. Orthoboric acid. So this is the reaction. So in this reaction, some important points and competitive level how they will raise the question we will discuss now. First thing is that you remember this is hydroboration oxidation reaction follows opposite to the Markovnikov rule. Very important thing. Nothing but follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Why? Because this BH2 part is attached to the more number of hydrogen containing double bond of the carbon. That thing you remember. Now here, according to our NCERT textbook, they are given one point. In a hydroboration oxidation reaction, we can prepare only primary alcohol only. Yes, it is correct. Primary alcohol only. Okay. But when primary alcohol, see, if primary and secondary carbons are present, alcohols are primary, alcohols are formed. So some example we'll discuss now. Okay. So these on the basis of this reaction, how they will ask the question for competitive level, we'll discuss now. Right. Here you see, I am taking one example. CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. I am taking boot 1A, which is reaction with the BH3. in the presence of H2O2 and OH minus. They'll ask the question like this: what is the product it will become? Then by seeing this reaction, you recognize which is a hydroboration oxidation reaction. In this reaction, what alcohols are formed? Primary alcohol formed. Then you guess the answer. OH is first position is formed. Why? Because double bond containing carbon, one primary, one secondary. So that's why OH primary alcohol only formed. So now your answer is that butane 1-ol. Butane 1-ol it will be formed. Some more examples you see. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, double bond, CH. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are given like this. What is the name of this? 3-methyl butanene. 3-methyl butanene. So same this is reaction with BH3 in the presence of H2O2 and OH minus. Aqueous in OH. You got the answer. So OH is attached to first position or second position? First position only. Okay? Right. So now your answer CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, 3-methyl butane 1-ol. Like that. So we can give the answer within a second. For example, you see, I am taking another one example. Here, see, 3-methyl pentovenene undergoes hydroboration oxidation reaction. Once again, I am going to repeat. 3-methyl pentovenene. Answer? Tell me. 3-methyl pen 1-ol. 1 in place, you add 1-ol. Bas, answer over. Sir, one doubt. If double bond present in between secondary and tertiary carbon, I'll take one example. This question they raised in for IIT level 1 exam. See, here I am taking this example, which is reaction with BH3, same in the presence of H2O2 and OH minus. See, this carbon attaches 3 other carbon, we can say tertiary. So this carbon is attaches to secondary, 2 carbon only. Now tell me, OH attaches to the number 1 or number 2? You guess the answer. See, so where is OH attaches? Already I told you. This reaction follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, so when in between secondary and tertiary carbon, secondary alcohols are formed. Here, primary and secondary carbons, primary alcohols are formed according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, so now OH is attached to first carbon or second carbon? It is second carbon only. Okay, now your answer is that. Now you got the answer. 2-methyl hexane 1-ol. So they will raise the question like this on the basis of hydroboration, oxidation, reaction. Okay, you got the answer. Next, we'll discuss about the preparation of alcohol by using Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So what is the Grignard reagent? Alkyl or aryl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. See, how can you prepare alcohol by using Grignard reagent? So first one, by using Grignard reagent. Here I am taking formaldehyde, HC11H, which is reaction with the methyl magnesium bromide. You understood here? This question also they are raising for competitive level. See, formaldehyde or aldehyde reaction with the methyl magnesium bromide. In this first reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. What is that? Nucleophilic addition. Meaning here addition product it will be formed. So one methyl group is attaches to the carbonyl carbon, then formation of nucleophilic addition product is formed. O minus MgBr H. So this adduct or addition product further undergoes hydrolysis, then formation of alcohol. Now you see, hydrolysis. These oxygen attract the proton, then MgOH Br. Then formation of HOH H CH3 plus MgOH Br, it will be formed. So this is the primary alcohol, CH3 CH2OH, primary alcohol it will be formed. Okay, so next I am taking acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond OH. The same reaction, which is reaction with methyl magnesium bromide. Okay, I told you one point. First step is, what is that? Nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. That is important. Number of times there is an quantitative level. So methyl group is attaches to the carbon, then formation of adduct. So CH3CO minus MgBr CH3H, which is further undergoes hydrolysis, then formation of secondary alcohol. See, CH3 COH CH3H. It is a secondary alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. Now see, if I take acetone, CH3C double bond O CH3, acetone, ketone, which is reaction with the CH3MgBr. First what happens? Adduct, nucleophilic addition product. Then formation of CH3O minus MgBr. Okay, CH3. So this is addition product, further undergoes hydrolysis, HOH. So now tell me what is answer? CH3OH CH3 plus MgOH Br. So when we are taking acetone, tertiary alcohol is formed. What is that? Tertiary alcohol. So here one point to remember, very important thing is that formaldehyde reaction with the Grignard reagent furtherly undergoes hydrolysis, then formation of primary alcohol. Any aldehyde, not only acetaldehyde, any aldehyde reaction with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, then formation of secondary alcohol only. Right? Next, any ketone, not only acetone, any ketone reaction with the methyl magnesium bromide or any Grignard reagent, then furtherly undergoes hydrolysis, then formation of tertiary alcohol. Okay, understood that? Right. See, one application we'll see how they will raise a question for competitive level. One application. Here I am taking acetophenone. This is acetophenone. Means this ketone. Guess what alcohol is formed? Primary or secondary or tertiary? Ketone. Answer is tertiary alcohol it will be formed. Okay. Which is reaction with the same methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. Here you follow simple technique. That methyl group or alkyl group which is attached to the magnesium, that you joins to the carbonyl carbon, then you will break double bond. From water, the hydrogen is attached to the oxygen. So then this product it will be formed. This is a technique. Okay, you take another one example. For example, I am taking but2-1. I am taking but2-1. So this is a reaction with the CH3MgBr followed by hydrolysis. So what is answer? First technique what I told. For magnesium, what alkyl group is attached? That is attaches to the carbonyl carbon. Then you break this bond. From water, hydrogen is attached to the oxygen. Then formation of 2-methyl butane 2-vol. So we can give the answer like this. Okay, just you follow this technique. Right. Sometimes they will give the product. They will give, they will ask reactant. That also one example we can observe. For example, here I am taking this example I took. So first you recognize, is this primary or secondary and tertiary alcohol. See what is this? Alcohol is attaches to two adjacent carbon, secondary alcohol. Mean reactant is aldehyde or ketone, formaldehyde or other except formaldehyde, other aldehyde or ketone. Secondary alcohol means that is 100% aldehyde only. So reactant you got it. So that reactant is that. See, this is, you know what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. What is that? You know? Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. See, this is reaction with the same methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. So follow the technique. This methyl group is attached to the carbon and carbon. From hydrogen attaches to the oxygen, break the bond. So this answer will become. So by using this technique, we can write any product. Okay, you understood that? Thank you very much. Bye.